Just remember one thing. Today you have been initiated as a Jivan Mukta. Just remember this one thing. Any conflict comes inside you, anything comes inside you, just remember. Master has initiated me as a Jivan Mukta. An avatar has initiated me as a Jivan Mukta. I am a Jivan Mukta. How can this stand in front of me? Just asked. How can I be in this situation? How can any conflict come in me? How can I have any disturbance? How can there be something called disturbance at all in my life? Just remember this one sutra, one key, one click. I am a Jivan Mukta. I am a Jivan Mukta. That is a top priority in my life. Living as a Jivan Mukta is the first priority in my life. Everything else is secondary. If I have to forget I am a Jivan Mukta for any reason, I am not interested in that. I'll remember I am a Jivan Mukta. With this remembrance, whatever I can do, let me do. Whether it is business or family or relationship or work or education or study or anything it may be. The first priority is remember I am a Jivan Mukta. Every moment remember I am a Jivan Mukta. Be a Jivan Mukta doctor, Jivan Mukta lawyer, Jivan Mukta engineer, Jivan Mukta businessman, nothing wrong. But Jivan Mukta, that's the first title. That should be the first title. Remember, any moment, I have been initiated as a Jivan Mukta. I am a Jivan Mukta. Now, in this situation, how a Jivan Mukta will behave? Behave in the same way. First thing, Jivan Mukta will not have confusion, so relax. He will not have conflict, relax. Now act. Act from the relaxation which has grown inside you by the clear remembrance that you are a Jivan Mukta. When you remember you are a Jivan Mukta, there is a beautiful fullness happens in you. Act out of that fullness. Move out of that fullness. Live out of that fullness. That is what our Upanishad Rishis say. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. When the whole moves out of wholeness, the wholeness remains as wholeness. If you act out of that wholeness, fulfilled feeling, the fulfillment will remain as fulfillment. Normally, when a desire comes, you act it out. Either it brings more and more desire or discontentment. But when you act out of fulfillment, I am a Jivan Mukta. With that remembrance, I am a Jivan Mukta. Suddenly you see, you are acting out of fulfillment. Purnamada Purnamidam. From the fulfillment, fulfillment comes out. From the whole moves. When the wholeness moves out of wholeness, wholeness remains as wholeness. When you are whole, you are holy. Understand? Act out of that wholeness. Whenever you feel you are disconnected from that wholeness, come back, sit, relax, remember again. Remember again. Till you are feeling connected again with that wholeness, stop doing anything else. That is what I call tapas. That is what I call meditation. Meditation is not something which you will do in separate time. Whenever you feel disconnected, shut yourself. Disconnect yourself from everything else. Connect, hook. Hook yourself with the divine. Connect yourself with the divine. Then, with that feeling connection, act. Let all your actions be done with this base current that you are a Jivan Mukta. You are living enlightenment. So just remember this one blessing. understand, I bless you all sincerely with my very being. Let you all become Jivan Muktas. Let you all radiate living enlightenment. Let you all radiate eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
We now request our beloved Swamiji to release newly published books which add to the ever-growing list of books. First of all, the magnum opus, the English book, Living Enlightenment, Gospel of Paramahamsa Nityananda.
This book is the essence of whatever I said, saying and yet to say. Means book of books. Whatever I said now, that read, internalize master's words, I mean this book. I mean this book. Read this one book and internalize. You will be living enlightenment. Please understand, I am guarantee for that. That is why boldly I have given the title Gospel of Paramahamsa Nityananda. So, I am happy to release this book today in this auspicious occasion. Thank you.
The next one, the abridged version of the same, Gospel of Paramahamsa Nityananda.
This is an abridged edition of the same book. See, people may want to carry in the hand the essence of all those teachings. So the two volumes, one the full edition and the second one abridged edition. That book is for your bedside, this book is for your roadside. Traveler's companion.
And the next one, Living Enlightenment, the same book translated in French.
This book is getting published in more than 10 languages within this month. Work is happening. So today itself we are releasing French also. Vivre Illumination. L'Evangile di Paramahamsa Nityananda.
And the next one, from the stables of Nitya Yoga, the Understanding.
This is for body. To prepare the body to radiate living enlightenment.
The next one, Nitya Yoga, Surya Namaskar.
Nitya Yoga, Surya Namaskar.
And the next one, the Guaranteed Solutions translated into yet another language, Hindi.